show.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
So we're from Superhairpieces. Today we got 4 frequently asked questions here. So the first one, Ryan, does HD111 tend to shed faster?
So HD111 does tend to shed faster than other types of hairpieces. So for example, we have the M104 here, which is a mono base with poly all around. And there's also a lace front as well. So how we attach the hair to the hairpiece for this piece specifically is we use what is called a double knot, and it is stronger than how we attach the hair to the HD111, which is the hair is attached using what's called V-loop, so there are no knots, and it is much less durable than other hairpieces.
Okay, so in this case, how often should you wash it?
Yeah, so for the HD111 specifically, you would only want to wash it maybe once a week or at least once every 2 weeks. For the M104 or any other hair pieces, you can wash it twice a week and it will be fine.
What will be the best way to extend HD111's lifespan?
Yeah, so for the HD111, you can expand its lifespan by just waiting for the hair to dry after showering or any other activities where you get the hair wet. And you can, after it's dry, you can comb or touch your hair, but before it's dry, you should not want to do that because it is much less durable when the hair is wet.
So can we sleep in it? So how often can we take it off?
Yeah, so you can sleep in the HD111, and generally you don't want to take off the piece at all until after you want to purchase a new hairpiece.
So that's the end of our Q&A today. If you have any questions, you can follow us on social medias or you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you.